You've probably seen all the usual body weight exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges, but today, we're taking it up a notch. We're going to show you 5 next-level exercises that will not only challenge your coordination, flexibility, and strength, but also keep you engaged and motivated like never before. These moves are designed to push your limits and deliver real progress, all without ever stepping foot in the gym. And here's the best part. One of these exercises will give you a full-body workout that packs the power of multiple exercises into just one move. Trust us, it's also a lot harder than it looks. Stick around to discover this game changer. Your journey to a stronger, fitter you starts here. Now let's get started. Exercise 1. Shrimp squats. Unlike traditional squats, shrimp squats require one leg to carry the full load, while the other leg is tucked behind you, forcing your working leg to handle all the effort. This leads to greater muscle isolation in the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also engaging your core for stability. This movement not only strengthens the lower body, but enhances coordination and balance, making it a challenging and effective exercise for overall leg development. To perform shrimp squats, start by standing upright with your feet about hip-width apart. Bend one knee and bring your foot up behind you, holding onto your ankle or shin with your hand. Engage your core and keep your chest lifted as you slowly lower your body into a squat position on the supporting leg, bending at the knee and hips. Lower yourself as far as you comfortably can while maintaining balance, ensuring your knee doesn't extend beyond your toes. Once you reach your lowest point, push through your supporting leg to return to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 4 to 6 repetitions, gradually increasing depth and reps as your strength and balance improve. Exercise 2. Lateral bear crawl. The lateral bear crawl is a full-body exercise that enhances mobility and stability while also building strength in key muscle groups. Most people crawl forward, but this lateral version adds a new challenge by forcing you to move side to side. This movement engages your core and upper body in ways that traditional crawling doesn't, making it a fantastic way to build strength in your shoulders, core, and legs, while also enhancing your coordination and agility. To perform the lateral bear crawl, start on all fours with your hands positioned directly under your shoulders and your knees slightly lifted off the ground, so only your hands and toes are supporting your body. Engage your core and maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Begin by moving one hand and the opposite foot sideways in a controlled manner, then follow with the other hand and foot, keeping your body low to the ground. Continue crawling laterally for a few steps in one direction, then reverse the movement to crawl back. Focus on keeping your hips level and your movements controlled to fully engage your core and upper body. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 8 lateral steps in each direction. You'll want to keep watching because the final exercise is a perfect way to round out your workout. It's efficient and it's going to bring everything together by challenging multiple muscle groups at once. Exercise 3. Single leg glute bridge. This exercise adds a unilateral challenge, requiring more stability and muscle engagement than a traditional glute bridge. By focusing on one leg at a time, it helps correct imbalances while building strength in the posterior chain. The single-leg glute bridge perfectly complements the shrimp squat by targeting the glutes and hamstrings more intensively, providing balance to the quad-dominant shrimp squat. Together, they offer a well-rounded lower body workout that covers both the front and back of the legs, enhancing overall strength and stability. Start by lying flat on your back with one knee bent and the foot of that leg planted firmly on the ground. Extend your other leg straight out, keeping it in line with your hips. Engage your core and press through the heel of your bent leg to lift your hips off the ground, driving them upward until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your extended leg. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement, ensuring your hips stay level. Slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position, keeping control throughout the movement. Perform 8 to 10 reps per side, making sure to prioritize form and engage the glutes fully throughout the movement. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Exercise 4. Sprinter start planks. The sprinter start plank merges a traditional plank with an athletic sprinting position, challenging both your upper body and legs in one dynamic move. It's ideal for strengthening your core while enhancing balance and mimicking the powerful stance of a sprinter ready to explode into action. This exercise is excellent for building explosive strength, improving core stability, and enhancing overall body coordination. To perform sprinter start planks, begin in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and bring one knee forward toward your chest as if you're about to start a sprint, while keeping the opposite leg extended behind you. Hold this position briefly, then switch legs by returning the extended leg forward and the bent leg back, mimicking a running motion while maintaining plank form. Focus on keeping your hips level and your core tight throughout the movement. Sprinter start planks differ from the popular mountain climbers exercise in that they are performed more slowly, focusing on controlled, explosive strength and core stability, whereas mountain climbers are faster and emphasize cardio and endurance. Perform 8 to 12 alternating reps, completing 2 to 3 sets, ensuring you maintain a strong plank position and smooth transitions between legs. Exercise 5. Crab walk to toe touch, modified. This exercise not only strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders, but also improves your coordination and balance, making it a highly effective move for overall conditioning. To perform a modified version of the crab walk to toe touch, start by sitting on the ground with your feet flat and your hands positioned behind you and fingers pointing toward your feet or out to the sides to minimize strain on your wrists. Lift your hips off the floor into a reverse tabletop position, keeping your core engaged and your body stable. Begin by walking your hands and feet backwards or forwards a few steps, maintaining the raised hip position. After a few steps, pause and lift one hand to touch the opposite foot while keeping your hips raised, engaging your core and stretching your hamstrings. Return your hand and foot to the ground, then repeat the toe touch on the other side. Once both sides are complete, continue crab walking for a few more steps, and then repeat the toe touches. If you're short on space, you can perform the toe touches in place without the walking portion. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 8 toe touches per side, focusing on control and maintaining a strong posture throughout the exercise. You can perform all these exercises in one session as part of a full-body workout. They target different muscle groups and balance strength, mobility, and coordination. You can do them in a circuit or complete each exercise in sets before moving to the next. While these exercises are effective, it's best to do them 3 to 4 times a week to allow for proper recovery, especially if you're new or experience soreness. On rest days, lighter activities like walking or yoga are great for active recovery. If any exercise feels too challenging, start with fewer reps and sets and build up over time. Prioritize form over speed to prevent injury and maximize the benefits of each movement. If you experience any sharp pain or discomfort, reassess your form or stop if needed. And remember to always consult your doctor or a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have existing health conditions or injuries. Give these a try and let us know in the comments which one challenged you the most. And if you want more unconventional workouts like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.